So let's take a look at how easy it is to invite users, both internal and external users, to be a member of a workspace. And once again, this is the same whether that workspace is a SharePoint site or a Microsoft team. If I go to projects and my projects as this user Jeremy, then I can go to DevOps IT design, and you see that PortalTalk gives me a number of menu options here, one of which is the team composition. If I go to that, I can actually see who the members are of this team, and I can add new users just by using this button up here. So if I go to here and I say I want to invite April to be a member, she's internal because she's from this company, which is Next Gen Devices. And then I go to another user, and you can see that this is an external user, and he has an Outlook account. And one of the things that you'll also notice here is that PortalTalk will actually assign the correct authorization role to those users. So PortalTalk can see that April is an internal user. It will give her the role internal user, and that internal user could mean that she has read and write permission for everything on this in this workspace. And Otto outside is an external user, and he only has read access to what's in this SharePoint site or the Microsoft team, because we also have a read role for a Microsoft team. And if you want to assign a specific permission, which is not automatically given by PortalTalk here, you can actually say that I want April to be an administrator as well. And then we could add these users. And what you'll see is that they will actually be put into the team under the correct block. So here we have the internal members, and we can see that April's been added to that, and the external members, and Otto has been added to that. You'll also be able to see that they have a last login date, which the owner can see here, and obviously neither of them have actually logged in yet. What you'll also see with this small icon here with an envelope is that Otto has been sent an email to invite him for this. April hasn't, because she'll get an internal message to do that. So let's go and take a look. That's what it looks like for the administrator. This is the experience for the end user. If we take a look at what the admin sees there, going back to categories, this was the category a project. We go to project and take a look at permissions. And what you can see here is we have the permissions which have been identified here. So these are the roles which are given one is internal user, external user, and we can define any number of these roles in PortalTalk.